Hi guys and welcome to TechBased. In this video we're going to talk about a problem that comes up with the latest security patch from Windows 10. So for those of you who don't know, Windows 10 launches security patches once in a while, and those security patches in theory should help the operating system to be more secure, to be bug-free and stuff like that, but sometimes stuff like this happens and the Windows operating system becomes buggy, you get BSODs, you are having problems booting up into your operating system. So if you're encountering this with the latest Windows 10 security patch, I'm gonna show you what you can do in this case. So let's say you're getting BSODs or you're having troubles getting into your operating system. Just try to get into the advanced booting options. So most likely if you force the restart or the shutdown of your PC, you'll be most likely to see this Windows 10 page. So as I've said, try to force the shutdown or the restart, even shut down your computer from the button. Just press the button, hold the button pressed, and Windows operating system should be forced to shut down. And next time you're trying to open up your operating system, you're going to be greeted with this page. So in this page, what you have to do in order to fix the problem with the update, basically we're going to uninstall the latest update. That's the only thing that we can do, because Microsoft will very soon hopefully launch another patch that will fix the latest patch that they launched. So yeah, this is the main issue with Microsoft nowadays. They seem to launch updates that are not really tested and not really secure. So you just have to go to troubleshoot, then go to advanced options, and you have here uninstall updates. Click on uninstall updates and just click on uninstall latest quality update. And also after you do this, when you click on this, and as you can see now, Windows will uninstall that latest update. And of course, if you have issues, you can even try to do the second option to uninstall the latest feature update. So as you can see, we are in this page, uninstall latest quality update, select your account, put the password in, click on continue, and of course just click on uninstall quality update, and the update will be uninstalled. And hopefully like this you can fix the issue. And this process is applicable for every kind of update, Windows update. If you encounter problems after installing it, you can do this. So I'm hoping that this video was useful to you. If it was, don't forget to leave a like down below, and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. Until next time, have a nice day.